The self-sympathy, self-pity is a powerful weapon people use not to get enlightened. I never get angry towards people who say, I am working towards enlightenment. I never get angry about them, even if they are saying the same thing for 20 years. But I cannot stand the people who say, I am not qualified, I am giving up, my sins are too much, my patterns are too much, my karma is too much. Why only I have to struggle all by myself? This self-sympathy and self-pity is a very powerful tool you can use to destroy yourself. Even Guru cannot help you. Even Master cannot help you. See, all the problems you have, which you yourself can help, is pattern. All the problems you have, which Master can help you and get you out, is karma. All the problems you have, even Master cannot help, is sin. Understand? All the problems you have, which you yourself can come out, is a pattern. All the problems you have, which Master can help and you can come out, is karma. All the problems you have, which even Master cannot help, is sin. This pattern, self-sympathy and self-pity, falls under sin, because even Master cannot help you. But I tell you, when you are in that mood, I am the worst sinner, I cannot handle all that self-sympathy and self-pity mood, even Bhagavan's solution you won't take it up. I tell you. Self-sympathy and self-pity is fallen into the borewell. Sometime in India, here and there you can see the unclosed borewell. They dig the borewell and they don't close and leave it and go away. Children fall into that. Never they are brought out alive, saved alive. Only bodies are brought. I tell you, this attitude of self-sympathy and self-pity, attitude of self-sympathy and self-pity is like fallen into the borewell. Even if somebody tries to save you, you are in such chaos and confusion, you don't allow them to save you. You can't cooperate. That is why I tell you, do not allow this self-sympathy or self-pity the moment it comes. First moment itself, destroy it. How? If your head catches fire, you run and put that fire off. Same way, the moment self-sympathy and self-pity catches you, run. Do whatever you can and you can't, but get rid of it. Get out of it. Self-sympathy, self-pity is the worst suffering. If you are on the self-pity and self-sympathy, I have seen people acting like they have self-sympathy and self-pity. If I say, do this, do that, do this meditation, or do this yoga, or go around the hill, or go to the temple every day, then they act, no, I cannot do, I tried, I am giving up, I don't know what to do, I can't do yoga, I can't do akada. But inside the heart they know they can, but they don't want to. But they try to use this self-pity and self-sympathy to protect themselves from me. I tell you, you are doomed and destroyed. You are already dead. Just we need to put you inside the mud, that's all. Nothing else. Somebody goes to the doctor and says, doctor, I am sick. Doctor diagnoses him and says finally, you will be alive only 6 more months, you will be dead. after 6 months. The fellow says, is there no way, please save me, he cries. Finally, doctor slowly tells, all right, if you take mud bath every day, there is a way. This fellow says, it means I'll be cured. He says, no, you will be trained. If you are suffering with self-sympathy or pity, or acting as if you are suffering with self-sympathy or pity, you are doomed. Understand? There are some patterns, the moment you act, it infects you. Even acting infects you. Physical disorders, going near that person. For example, if somebody has cough or cold, dengue, H1N1, you go near that person, you are infected by it. It is infectious disease. There are some pattern, imitative infectious disorders. The moment you imitate them, you are infected by them. The pattern of strength is imitative infectious. If you imitate for 1 week, you will get it. Pattern of self-sympathy, very powerful imitative infectious. Try. 1 week. 1 week is not required. 2 days is enough. Imitate self-sympathy and self-pity. Simply you will start believing it. You will start believing it. Imitative infectious patterns. Understand? This is one of the very important keyword, which is my unique contribution to the human psychology. Never this word or this concept is so clearly orated, verbalized even in psychology. Imitative infectious disorder. The moment you imitate, act, the pattern will catch you. You will be infected by it. Don't get into this sickening pattern of self-sympathy and self-pity. People ask me, never ever give up on me, Swamiji. I should always be protected by you. I can do it till you invoke self-sympathy and self-pity on yourself. The moment you invoke self-sympathy and self-pity on yourself, I can't take care of you. I can't protect you. Now you become master-proof. Like waterproof, dirt-proof, now you become master-proof. The moment the layer of self-sympathy and self-pity covers you up, over. Now, nobody can save you. Nobody can protect you. Nobody can help you. You are caught in imitative infectious disorder. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore, 562109. Contact 097422033111. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.